Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use smartphone as a Google TV remote in Sony TV or smartphone that you have. Smart TV that you have at your home. So let's start by open the Play Store on your phone, and you can try to tap on search, and you can tap on Google TV. Here we go. You can install Google TV on your smartphone. After that, you can try to open your Google TV. You can open the app. Now here we go. You can click TV nearby or connect the TV, but make sure your TV is a same Wi-Fi with your smartphone. So the TV nearby notification will be appear here, will be show up. Here we go. Make sure your phone and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To connect via Bluetooth, make sure your phone and TV both have Bluetooth turned on. So follow the guide after this. There is a available device on TV here, and it will work. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.